It's cotton candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys a magic eyeliner kit as well as my favorite lashes that I have been loving. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before I show you guys like how I apply my lashes and everything, I am going to be sharing with you guys my favorite lashes. I have all 7 pair here. I always get questions about my lashes, so I wanted to just come and share them with you guys. Okay, so these are the eyelashes that are my favorite. Most of the time I get them from the beauty supply store, or I will get them from Amazon because Amazon has them available. You guys know that C word is creeping right back on around. So, you know, things are kind of, you know, but I will have them linked in the description box below. The ones that they do have available, the ones I'm able to find. So these lashes are Real Mink V-Lux lashes by INV. I absolutely love them. They're super high quality. The ones I'm gonna be wearing today, actually this is like my 25th time wearing them, so they're super high quality. I just love them. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the first style. Please don't judge it. And another thing I want to say, like, I am not about to try on all these eyelashes and be like damaging my eyes or something, because in the last haul, like, people were so mad. They were like, why didn't you try on all the lashes? It's like, girl, I'm not about to do that. Like, that is just crazy. But I will show you guys the styles, but I'm not, you know, that's just doing too much. Like, okay. So anyways, this is the first style. Hopefully you guys can see them. This is the first style. I absolutely love them. They are called Cashmere Rose. They are super duper pretty. They are 25mm and they are just like so gorgeous and wispy. I was actually loving these for like a really long time. Let me see if I can get closer so you guys can see the style better. Sorry, this one doesn't have like it doesn't have like the box like these do, because these are actually my favorite before the next ones I'm going to show you guys, because these are the ones I've been wearing lately. So please excuse the fact that it doesn't have like that clear casing over it. So yeah, these are so freaking pretty. So this is the first style. The next style is called Touch Your Gold. These are the ones I will be applying today, and these are my absolute favorite. I've been wearing these like, oh my gosh, like crazy, and I'm so attached to them. But I do want to move on to another pair of lash, but I definitely will be going back to these. But these are so pretty. So here they are. They're just so pretty and wispy, and these are 25mm as well. I believe all of them are 25mm, so I don't have to repeat myself. So the next ones are called Rose or Gold, and I love these too. I actually love all of these obviously, but yeah. So here's the next one. So here's another one. This pair I was loving too. I was addicted to this one. This one is called Love Rose Gold. Here's the next one. It's called Millennial Pink, and for the last ones it's called Gold Petal. Now, like I said before, I will try to have them linked in the description box below. I will try to find all of these so that you guys can get your hands on them. So yeah, let's jump right into applying the lashes. So before we jump right into applying the lashes, I did want to share with you guys some other lashes, and this is like a whole kit. This is the Magic Eyeliner and Eyelash kit. This is by Viciley. They actually are sponsoring today's video, so thank you so much. Here is their kit. They have a complete kit. Now, if you do not like 25mm lashes, this portion is going to be for you, okay? So hopefully you stuck around if you didn't like 25mm lashes. But anyways, they have a whole kit. So this is what the box looks like. Nice and simple and straight to the point. And then, oh, well, let's try that again. Okay, so once you open it up, you will see you have a complete lash kit here. So with these magic eyeliners, they are basically magic because you can line your eyelids and then you can apply your lashes straight on. Now, you guys know I love my dramatic lashes, so I'm not going to use any of these, and that's the great thing about the magic eye kit. You don't have to only use it with these lashes, you can use it with any lash. So I'm going to be trying it out on my lashes. So I'm going to take the black, just because I typically like to use black, but they also have clear in here as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take these tweezers, and then I'm going to I'm going to use the black magic eyeliner. So this is pretty much what it looks like. So you do have to push this button down and kind of shake it a little bit and let the liquid go into the pen part. So that is what you have to do so that it can, you know, you can get your eyeliner slash glue, because this is eyeliner and glue in one. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna line my lids, and then I'm going to be applying my eyelash onto my lid after I apply it. So I just wanted to tell you guys, because I'm not going to talk while I'm doing it, because it's hard for me to talk and like do that at the same time. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so this glue is not playing, okay? And I love the fact that you can apply your glue and then like not have to wait, or you can apply your liner and your glue at the same time, and you don't have to wait for your glue to dry on your lash. So I am really liking that. It's like kind of like a one step, so it takes a step out of your makeup routine, which I don't mind taking my time, but I mean, if we could save some time, like that's always great, because I feel like I'm always late when I'm getting ready. But anyways, like this is the truth. I am really liking this. Like this is really nice. Okay, divas, so I am super impressed with this magic eyeliner kit. Like it is so freaking bomb. And if you guys are interested, I will have a link in the description box below. I would definitely recommend it because it works like a dream, and then you literally can just line your eyes and put your eyelashes on and go about your business. And yeah, like I just love that. Like I love it, and I love the fact that the kit is super affordable. It also comes with some nice tweezers to apply your lashes. Also, it comes with some lashes if you are interested in those, and then it also comes with 2 different magic liners. One of them is clear and then the other one is black, so you have options there. So like I said, I will have the description box below, so if you fabulous divas want it, then definitely check the links in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to be lining the lips with MAC's Chestnut, and then I'm going to go in with this lip gloss. I've been really loving this week, so I'm gonna go on with this one. This is a lip gloss by MAC, and it's called Bow, and it's like a shimmer warm type of gloss. Okay, divas, so first of all, I know I said I was gonna go get dressed and everything, but I thought about it. I'm like, it's late at night right now. That is the reality of it. I don't know when you're watching this, but it's late at night right now, and I was like, I am not about to put on a full outfit just to like close out videos and stuff. Okay, you guys know we're at home. The C word is coming back around, so yeah, like I'm just like, girl, I'm not getting dressed. It's like 11 o'clock at night right now. I'm not going anywhere. But anyway, so that will explain why I have on my robe. But this is a pretty robe. I love this chocolate brown robe. But anyways, I just wanted to come and close out the video. Thank you fabulous divas so much for watching. I hope that you guys have enjoyed me sharing my eyelashes with you guys, as well as this magic eyeliner kit, because I'm telling you, like, this has definitely changed my makeup game. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Viciley. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, divas, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then definitely give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know, have you tried out some magic eyeliner, or if you are interested, or if you have any other comments or questions. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.